Hello, it's F to play, and right now we are forced to play Monster Train with the Last Divinity expansion. Now, forced to play. I've played this game before, and I enjoy this game a lot. It's been a while since I've played it. So, here's what we're gonna do. We're on Covenant. We're gonna just disable Covenant. We're gonna random. I don't know a lot about this game, and there were some people I wasn't too good with. So, we're just gonna start up a random one. Mutators, clear this. We're just gonna start. We are forced to play, and we will try to go through the covenants, most likely. So we are primary of the Awoken and Allied clan with the Stygian Guard. So I'm a big fan of the Spike. Cultivate. Increase the things of the friendly unit with the lowest health. Yeah, I'm a big Spike, let's just live kind of person. Artifact. 50% chance to apply silence when enemy units enter the train. Very good. Units get an extra upgrade slot. Gotta be the best thing possible, sure. Some additional rewards. Non-boss enemy units enter with spikes 3. Well, I'm not really attacking, so... I mean, I know there's like a base deck. And this might be really bad for me. But we are, you know... mostly gonna try and survive. By Frostbite 6 to the front enemy. Discard a random card. Okay, well, let's do this. You. And drop you. Yeah. Okay, let's not play on the highest gameplay speed. Speed? Let's just do fast. Let me learn. I think flees the battle if not rooted or dazed, so I won't be able to stop him, unfortunately. You were to be regened. Oh, you know what? Oh, frostbites just take damage. Oh, dead. Killed by a frostbite. Are you up here? I don't remember if I have a boss fight coming or not. I don't think so. It should be every 3. Oh, there's a big boy. Let's just heal. Let's just out heal the damage. Boom. Just like that. First win. So yeah, like I said, I've played it before. It's an interesting game. And I mean, you're seeing the gist of it, you know? Let's get some wildwood sap. Deal 20 damage to a random enemy unit 3 times. But that costs all of our mana. It's kind of similar to Slay the Spire. It came in around that time. Deal 3 damage, apply Frostbite. Deal 25 damage to the front enemy. Discard a random card. I think I'll take this. If it's targeted, that's good. If it's not, oopsie. So then we get the ability to forge new powers or forge your spell. So this is upgrade cards, I believe, and I think this is upgrade units question mark, and these are to get other units. I don't remember, so we're gonna go to forge new powers. Yeah, this is upgrade units. So we can get a large stone. But we only have these guys right now. So we go here, we see what we get. Summon. This guy is a beast. I like the Awoken Hollow a lot. I find him quite interesting. Enjoy being the largest Awoken Hollow you've ever seen. We can also remove cards. We can re-roll. Upgrade a unit with Quick. Let's look at my deck. So, Quick means it goes first. So 30. Summon gains 60 max health. It's pretty good. I mean, Quick's really strong. And because we have an extra upgrade slot, we can still beef him up even more. And it's pretty common in this game to just have like one unit that's really strong. I also think we can out-spikes the Spike Lord. So 10 armor shouldn't be too bad. We just have to get past the first set of enemies. Which this guy is going to do every time. So drop you here. Move up the floor. This will kill any. That's just about anything that shows up, really. We're taking 3. We have no heal. So, I mean, regen 1. I want to get some health on you. We got time to keep this person alive. I still believe regen is like kind of like the way it works in Slay Spider, where it counts down by 1 every turn. Purge. Once played. Oh, they just added something like that. I'm lucky. Okay, well, let's purge this. We don't have room for you, so you go up here. And we'll try... Oh, Frostbite's first enemy? Frostbite that guy. So you aren't going to get the gold from that dude, but that's fine. You're going to die up top. We got time. I mean, I'm pretty sure this guy will win on his own. Take 1 damage. The Frostbite doesn't even matter on who I apply it to. So let's just purge one of these for no reason. Because it doesn't really do anything. And this person does 3 damage. I have 10 thorns. Let's just get you up. Get my kill up top. Get the kill on the big enemy here. Let our thorns lad beast it. Double Frostbite, and we are winning the fight. And this is where the speed up matters a lot, so we can go crazy. Because that's just a lot of waiting for nothing. The 10 minus 2 is very good. Especially in like the enemy up top that gains a lot. But no multi-strike and summoning with more HP than they have, you know. I think I want to regen. Next time it is hit by a damage spell, it takes that much damage again from each stack of spell weakness. Interesting, but nothing here too interesting overall. Sweep. That's a good lad. Triggers when you play a spell on the floor. Game 2. Sweep Slay. Do you want to try and get that going? That on a lower floor is really good, especially if we can keep it buffed. We obviously don't need to heal, and I'm not too interested in upgrading my spells, so we're just gonna run straight through here. Okay, it triggers when you play a armor 3. Sweep, apply Frostbite 3. Very good unit. This is the upgrade. Or no, this is an event. Flow. How fortunate. Gift, Purge. Your Pyre gets 1. Deal 2 damage to an enemy unit. Slay 50. Very useful card. Can work pretty well. So we're gonna try it. Again, I don't have the knowledge, unfortunately, so... Gain 2. Really wish I could get quick. Quick on a sweep unit is massive. But I suppose it's have to have no armor. Part of me is tempted to, you know, give some of these units in. To be fair, I grabbed 2 sweep units, so. Where should I run? I'm a little worried with this state I'm in right now. Enemies enter with armor 5, talent attacks every time, and pushes attack units back. Okay. So really setting someone up at the back is not going to do a whole lot for me. And this isn't going to kill anything because it just can't. 5, 2 damage, this only does 3. That's so sad to hear. We're gonna do something like this. I think that's our best play. Not gonna tag anything up top, fine with that. Play a spell, plus 1. We're gonna be beefing up top. Not the best ideal unit, really, but so be it. Your smoke, buddy. This unit's totally gonna die. We have no other place for units to go because this guy is too good to fit anything. And the healer's not gonna do any damage, I'm pretty sure. He doesn't attack, no attack. So that guy's sword like sliding through doesn't really matter. No one here is gonna die because the unit's in the front, so the thorns is not hitting anything. We use train steward to keep you alive, and then keep up this guy up top. The extra armor is really tough. 642, so we take 12. Not 4, 11. I don't know if the regen kicks in after. I think it's still kind of dead. Unfortunately, but we're getting towards the end of the fight. I'm not too worried about it. So really want to make sure we get there as much as possible. Because I'm a little worried about that guy up top. Especially with quick. And this boss is not dying on its own. So chain sword in the back is gonna do a bunch more damage. This guy will get by. Is it you? It won't make you live, but it will make you do more damage. This is gonna hit our pyre, which kind of sucks. I mean, we are gonna win the fight. That's like the bonus here. We're for sure gonna win a fight, but we are gonna take a little damage. Really, this guy's I mean, one hit's not the worst. I mean, this is basically irrelevant. They will get the kill. That's cool, at least. Time. Fun. It's unfortunate they're taking damage, but Wildwood Tome consume quick. So good. Plus 2020 is also very good. But Wildwood Tome is just so good. It's crazy. Also, the Animus' speed is very useful. It's just a default quick. +1 energy, +1 draw, or +1 unit space. I mean, unit space is very good. You don't need the energy. Duplicate any card except your champion. Move up to 2 cards in your deck. But this gets an artifact, gold. We don't need the health. But duplicating, it's just like, I don't know if I need to duplicate a champion right now. Obviously, like, another Awoken Hollow is good, but then we have to deal with healing 2 of them. But then there's just 2 of them in general. But I'd also like to upgrade it before we have to do that, but an artifact is so good. We're gonna get this one. I will duplicate the guy. I love the Thorn Hollow, too. I think this guy is a lot of fun to play with as well. We don't really need a unit right now. We're gonna duplicate this guy. He's massive. We're also gonna upgrade him. Increase the friend the lowest. So we can either do this, which will upgrade like whatever units behind us, basically, or we could do the one that gives us more thorns. I'm a personal fan of the one that upgrades the unit behind us, because I think we can do quite a lot with that. Yeah, we're just gonna do this. It's probably gonna get me killed, or at least take some damage, but for an artifact, it's so unbelievably worth it. Because what I want to do is this. It's just gonna hurt. We're probably gonna have to worry about healing him. Use a last line of defense, frostbite you. We immediately lost. Like I wanted to get damage, but they just use so fast. I think the best way to go about this right now. The Animus' speed is going to die if I place it down. That's a pretty good way to do it. It's gonna die instantly. Does this kill it first? No, it doesn't. Not very useful then. Well, I wasted my tome because it just dies. Unfortunately. These guys hurt. I've never been a fan. Out of here. You take a bunch more damage. And overall, pretty solid fight, and we're gonna win. I was just worried about taking a little bit, but we have enough to the point where I'm pretty confident. Your pyre takes 5 damage? Think not. And goodbye. Forgotten name. When you play your third spell at a turn, all cards gain 1 magic power for the rest of the fight. Okay. Restore 30, apply 3. Draw 1 each turn. Add 3 stings. Stings are very good. While Custodian's interesting because we have a bunch of 0 cost, they just also discard. Yeah, I mean, I don't even feel like we got to play a lot there, so. Deal 5 damage to enemy units and apply 10 frostbite. Really good. Permafrost. Gain frozen when drawn. Card is not discarded at the end of the turn. Frozen card is played. That's really interesting. I mean, this is like the baller ass path, I'm sorry. Start of each turn, the front unit gains 5 stings, get spell power. Unfortunately, I passed on stings. So. The first time each turn a friendly unit is healed, drop 1. Deal 2 damage whenever an enemy moves between floors. Apply Daze 3 melee to all enemies on the bottom floor in the first wave of combat. Dazed. I like jack strips. It really clears trash mobs. We have so much sweep. Plus 1 damage per stack. Back on the trigger. Trap. Trap shoot's so good. It's hard to say no to it. On each floor for 150. Not very worried about it. sweep with the no thorns. Don't mind if I friggin' do, buddy. Yeah, I did put that next unit on the floor, hoping that, you know, I get something to block with. And we did. We got the block. Set up here. Put the quick boy down. Frostbite this bad, Larry. And this guy in the back's gonna start stacking. Well, would if there was something to stack off of, I suppose. There really isn't right now. Let's just apply stuff. I mean, you're gonna die this turn. Lost like that bad boy. The custodian. Well, if I put him down, there's nothing else to get. Actually, that's kind of fine. Give you some regen. Give you some regen. Sounds good to me. Everything's gonna die. Basically, no reason to mess with it. And he's dead. Alright. Boom boom. Clean fight. Okay, especially this 4 cost -1. Very interesting. Deal damage equal to the deal damage to the front enemy unit equal to 10x the amount of spikes. Basically only useful on the first floor if that's where I decide to put him. There's a play to be made. It just kind of required me to draw those cards at the same time, unfortunately, but remove 2 from the deck. I don't need the heal. But I like the interesting thing, and I also think upgrading our unit would be pretty fun. Probably shouldn't have done that first. There might be somewhere to like create higher health or something. Yeah. I was right. I don't know why you'd want Heartless. I'm back where I think I was before. I immediately knew when I clicked that I had messed up, despite not remembering exactly what everything has. A large stone. Endless, which means they keep respawning. Overall, not too interesting of a day. Summons blinding dark shards and looming dark shards. Blinding apply daze to your units. Apply +1 energy cost to spells in hand. Dissolve. I mean, this is exactly how we want this to go. Unfortunately, it means that it's going to kill everything unless we put this up front. Which means it'll take a bunch of damage, and I have no way of changing that. So, yes. It does mean that this... he still gains 3. Just wish he paid more, even though I'm saying. You having quick is very useful. you guys existing on both floors is also very useful. Also, that permanently gains it. I'm realizing this now. Ideally, you want to avoid spells in those turns. I think that's kind of done some of our cards. Drop limits. Get some more damage in. And apply some damage. 10 armor. Yeah, I'd rather not. Just let her die. So this is apply days, so we're fine there. You can kind of here. Spell weakness. Frostbite. I got rid of the card I was gonna play, it doesn't really matter. Some more frostbite. Yeah, harvest all you want, buddy. I just don't really care. Solid position for this fight. This is the days, so that's fine. Smoke, by the way, just for the fun of it, basically. I'm very confident in winning this fight, so. I should be, because we're about to win. Yeah, I think I should have just committed to getting spikes. I tried to do some fancy stuff in the background with the plus and all that, and it's just not worth it. Uninterested, even though they're probably good. I don't need this. Extra draw is interesting. I might really feel like I'm running into energy issues, but extra energy is useful. Yeah, I'll just take the draw. Again, the energy is just, I think the draw is probably the one I used to take the least when I played, but again, it just like, I feel like I'm in such a good spot right now with the fact that a bunch of my cards still cost 0. I don't think Remnant, Umbra, or Hellhorned consumable card. This like gives strength. Hey, Rage 3. It's like exactly what I was looking for, pretty much. Oh, I get one of each. Apply burnout to friendly burnout units. Well, I don't have friendly burnout units, so. Okay, I thought I was gonna get one of each. I guess it was only 2. Upgrade my champion. Yeah, unfortunately, I kind of owned myself because I didn't commit to doing one, which I knew was an issue. But I was like, oh, this will be good, and it wasn't good. Now, I also should have checked this because it's probably gonna be multi-strike in here. There isn't. There's quick. Quick frees up a tome slot. But I like this. And I would love a multi-strike. Not gonna get it, unfortunately. And can't gain armor. You know what? I think it's a spend all angle. Let's get an endless animus speed. Let's get 10 on the shattering. And let's get incant gain armor on. I guess we do it on one of these guys. And we should remove a train steward. I'm not playing them, so let's get rid of another one. I have enough to not play them. Enemies enter with spell shield too. My spells are not very important. The damage I'm doing. Frostbite's very nice, but I don't think it's too much. Let's just drop some of this. Now it says damage, I think. Sap. I feel like that didn't take place. Oh, it literally didn't attack. You're gonna deal 5. Oh, but you're gonna deal 5 to not the right enemy. Oh. Up. Yep. Let's get you. Turbo mega speed. Let's take you out. You're stuck up here, unfortunately. And we got your back lines. Yeah, you're at a Sphinx. Oh, and Frostbite still hits through. We're in a really good spot for a spell shield. My spells don't do a lot of anything. Oh, I got Ember Drain for that turn, so I literally can't play anything fun. Yeah, that should drop it down to a kill. Oh, actually, this guy isn't that quick. The one in the back does. I don't think this guy got the kill. I don't actually know. Not necessarily fan of how this turn's going, especially because Ember Drain 3 again. So won't be playing anything this turn. And now Ember Drain 2. So again, we'll be playing like just about nothing this turn. Should be fine. Both of our units have quick already. This won't do anything. Spell shield. And just like that. Or 100 gold. $25 plus 2. You can see the borders. I didn't play a lot of this set. I don't really like the blue or the purple ones that much. Uh, I don't really have much. Again, no spells are really being played. We're basically fully unit. No multi-strike. Am I high? Can you not get multi-strike? I feel like I should have seen it by now. Let's pull blast train super out. 4 gold. I guess remove 2 cards. I don't even know if I have 2 cards I truly want to remove though. I think it's probably like flash freeze. I just don't use it. Or petty theft at this point. Get that out of here. Get smacked out of here. Screw the spell weakness. Doesn't help me at all. Needs to enter with frostbite. When you summon a second unit during a turn, gain 3 energy. Power starts at 50. I think I'll take both of these. With exact change. Seraph, remove half of any debuff stacks. I think this is the final fight question mark. If I can draw this plus quick, but I didn't draw quick. That's you won't kill, but you won't die either. And you're endless. You're made to come back. And I didn't play my raise potion thing. It'll probably help later anyway. I mean, getting up to play like me, it's not like anything's gonna make it by and change me like Ember Drain. Wow. Real original, huh? Just to Ember Drain me like that. How does that guy even have attack? What happened? Blood get back. Cultivate. So we're gonna drop to half. Do 30 and 10, so you'll be fine. I mean, everything's gonna die on the way. Actually, okay, well, I'm a little sad that happened, but I'm gonna keep the rage potion again. It's not gonna lose much. It's unfortunate I'm getting Ember Drained again. I forgot Ember Drain existed, and I'm really glad I did, because it fucking sucks. It's so annoying. Have fun at the bottom, by the way. Which really sucks, because I drew my ears. Okay, did it not say that guy was dying? Am I high? I swear it said that guy was dying. And I looked. You're here to make quick. You're here to be played. It's not gonna change anything. I swear so much of my damage. That's all that truly matters to me. How would a lot of balls? He is dead. So don't have to worry about that. Okay. Please kill everything. A little bit of damage taken, but 2-turn boss kill saves us in place. We're at the end of the run. And yeah, that's a monster train. That's the basic gist of the game. Again, a very fun game. It's if you've not played it and you enjoy a game like Slay the Spire, I think you would enjoy this game. 100%. It's a lot of fun. You can see, you know, how a lot of my things have gone. You can see what I do and don't use. 25, 23, 21. These are all the difficulty versions. So I've won with everything. I've mastered all these cards, which I think is just winning an Ascendancy run. There's a lot to do in this. There's so much to do. I mean, you can see 1, 1, 6, 21, 9, 23, 25. They're all over the place. So there's a lot going on here. A lot to do, a lot to master. But yeah, I mean, that's the gist. That was forced to play Monster Train. Might end up, you know, again, like I said at the start, might end up playing again some more. If I say again 1,000 times, bro, holy. Might end up playing some more Monster Train and going through the difficulties on random. Not sure if I will, though. We'll see. But yeah, that's the game. Again, if you like the video, support any way you can. Like, comment, subscribe, any of those. Let me know what games I should play, or if there's a game you want to see me play. Pretty much down to give anything a try, so should be pretty fun and interesting time. But yeah, that's about it. F to game, forced to play. Bye bye.